Today we are hunting turkeys with Ava and Zoey.
Hey Zoey, are we turkey hunting?
Yeah. Only we shoot them in a net.
That's right. Aim for right below their head. We got the decoy set up out there. Ava, you ready? You cold, ain't you?
I'm freezing.
Got your 410 automatic. We got the heater. And we're gonna see what we can make happen. I forgot my camera this morning. The only thing I have on me is the GoPro. So we're gonna make this work one way or another. Did you hear those turkeys gobble earlier, Ava?
No. What did you hear?
When I was walking back from the truck. Here, come here.
The girls spent most of the morning huddled beside the heater, and a jay caught us by surprise. But I was able to get Ava into position without spooking him.
There's a turkey. Right here. Stand up. So, there's a turkey. Right here, see it? Don't move. Okay. Zoey, cover your ears. Shoot it whenever you're ready.
I waited for him to stop on his own, but I realized I needed to stop him before he got out of Ava's range. With a quick call, I was able to get him to stop and stick his head up, and Ava took the shot.
There.
Oh, did I get it?
Yeah. Here. Shoot it again. Hold on. There you go. Shoot it again. Right there in the head. Good shot. Good shot.
After Ava's second shot, more turkeys gobbled behind us, so I quickly got Zoey in position to shoot.
Do you see the red dot? Okay.
And it seemed like an eternity had passed before another jake made his way into the field and walked right by the decoys.
Listen. Oh, I heard one. Shh. Hold on. Don't shoot. Just wait. Here he comes. Right there. See it right there. Do you see it? Shoot him in the head whenever you're ready. Shoot him in the head. Pull the trigger whenever you're... You don't see him? Move your head.
I have to see him in the neck.
Okay, shoot him in the neck. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Zoey took her time and shot, but unfortunately it wasn't a fatal shot, and she followed it up with another.
Got it!
Shh. Here, hold on, you missed him. Shoot him again. Do you see him?
Now I hadn't prepared the girls for what came next, and there was no time to stop and explain. I had to get her turkey before he got away.
I shot a turkey and the other one what came in Zoe shot. And I came what Sissy God stop.
Was it cold this morning?
Got very freezing. I was about to turn into an ice cube.
An ice cube? What about you? Were you cold?
Not me.
Not you? Were you warm?
Yeah, I was about to shoot my turkey in a net.
Give me 5. You did good. Give me 5.
I can hardly move in this coat.
Although it was a cold morning, the girls had fun and they enjoyed their time hunting together.